Yeah, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh sir classes. And today we are going to solving the Olympiad PYQs. The name of the exam, Australian Science Olympiad Chemistry. Right. In this examination, there are two types of the questions asked. That is the MCQ types of the question as well as the subjective questions. In previous video, we have solved the MCQ types of the question for Australian Science Olympiad for the chemistry subject, and now continue this question paper. And today we are solve the some subjective types of the question, right? And statement of the questions start the question number 17 of the 2024 Olympiad examination, Australian Olympiad examination, and state of the question start. For ideal gas, the following relationship between pressure, volume, and number of moles and temperature hold known as the ideal gas law. Do you know about the very well? PV is equal to nRT is the ideal gas equation, and where P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, the number of moles of the gas present in the mole, and R is the proportionality constant known in is the ideal gas constant, and T is the temperature of the gas. T is the temperature of the gas. To convert temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin, add given data, it's very helpful for the calculation and convert the conversion of the degree Celsius temperature into the Kelvin, that is the addition of the 273.15, that is the T to K converted by this configuration. And for this question, assume all gases and mixtures of gases behave ideally. All gases and mixture of gases behave ideally. It is the given in our question. Now solve the question number 1. What volume does 1.12 moles of krypton gas occupy at 85.0 Kelvin Pascal and 290 Kelvin? Right. यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? Two values are the given, that is the pressure and temperature, and calculation of the volume. They are asking about the calculation of the volume. So as per our formula of the calculation of the volume, as per our gas equation, P is equal to PV is equal to nRT. And now we will calculate the value of the volume V. So now we can write from the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Calculation of the volume is equal to nRT upon P. nRT upon P. Now put the values given in the question in the 1.1 value of the 1.1, it is the moles of the gases, and 8.314, it is the volume of the R, sorry, value of the R, and the temperature, and temperature is given in the degree Celsius, and to convert into the degree in the Kelvin, and 290 Kelvin, and divided by the value of the P. P is also given in our question, that is the 85 point Pascal. That is the given is the pressure, and it is the temperature. Now value 85.0, right? And solving this values, we will get the volume, that is the 31.8 liter. It is a very easy question, completely based on the formula. And now in the second question, they are asking about the temperature, that is the convert 50 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. 50 degrees Celsius temperature converted into the Kelvin. The how to convert in the degree Celsius to the Kelvin? What is the formula of the temperature? Temperature, there is no formula. It is the ratio based question, that is the 50.00, it is the given temperature, and convert into the Kelvin. So for conversion degree Celsius to Kelvin, addition of the 273.15 in the given value, and we will get the 323.15 Kelvin. It is the Kelvin temperature of the 50 degrees Celsius, right? Now question number 3 is the what pressure does a mixture of 0.412 mole of helium, case number 1 is the helium, and 0.85 moles of the argon exert when confined to a volume of 12.2 liter at 50 degrees Celsius. Now the calculation of the what pressure. Now the calculation of the pressure and formula of the calculation of the pressure from the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Now write the P is equal to nRT upon V. P is equal to nRT upon V and put the all given values in this formula. What is the value of the nRT and P? So now write the value of N is equal to 0. Number of moles 0.412 given in the question, and value of the R is equal to 850, and it is the mole value, and into 8 point value of the R. Value of the R is equal to 8.314 into temperature. Temperature is the 50 degree Celsius and convert into the Kelvin. Addition of the 273 point and volume given is the 12.2 according to our question, 12.2 liter, and calculation of the all values we will get the 278 Kelvin Pascal. That is the pressure of this kettle. Okay. So now you can calculate the all values with the help of the given formula PV is equal to nRT. Thank you.